Hey everyone, Thomas again, mgmclassiccars.com, and today on this beautiful day here in Addison, Illinois, coming to you on this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS car. This is a nice paint job on this car. It's not a hugger orange, it's a marmalade orange. So it's a little darker when the sun goes down. Obviously when the sun hits it in the reflection, it gets bright orange. Really cool car. All new rear tail lights on the car, all new rear chrome bumper. Now keep in mind the stripe obviously is a little different. They call that the Pro Touring stripe. Okay, excellent dual exhaust, big dual exhaust actually. Check that out. Okay, I think it's a 3-inch, but I have not measured it. Beautiful lines on the car. Rally correct wheels for the 67 model, radial TA GT tires in good condition, nice excellent grille, and nice newer chrome front bumper with the chin spoiler as you see on the bottom. And again, that Pro Touring stripe in the front has been painted. Oh, there's my reflection in my big head. All the emblems are nice on the car. Again, this is the only first generation 67 to 69, but 67 is the only year with these vent windows. It's pretty cool because when you're inside the car, you pop them open. They also call them wing windows. When the wind comes in, it goes right through here, right in the cockpit. It feels really good. This car actually has the side mirror. Well, they all do, but not all. Chrome, nice handles, vertical strips are nice on the car, and the interior is really nice. Nice door lips when they did the paint job. They also did the inside part of the door in the same color. New door panels, Fisher door sill plates, and right here, beautiful door jambs. This is a little scratch. That's normal, so and on the bottom here is a scratch as well. Okay, at one point the door wasn't aligned and that's how it got scratched. So those items will be touched up, and I'm also going to go over my punch list. Inner jambs are nice. They did the dash, factory gauges. This car is showing 103,234 believed to be original miles. Factory original steering wheel, factory original center console with the Hurst 4-speed, triple gauge package, and a Pioneer CD player that functions, and your heater controls that definitely do work. Newer dash pad, tight headliner, dome light bulb is burnt out. I will replace that. Nice package tray, seat belts, and newer door panels in the back with a nice rear seat. So let's walk around to the other side. Let's check out the passenger side, and then I'm going to go over a couple blemishes on the car. Again, nice door lips, newer door panels, inners and outer door jambs are real nice. Beautiful seat, reupholstered, no rips, no tears. Looks really nice and clean. And I like how they did the dash here, same color. Looks really cool. All the stainless around the glass is in good condition. Okay, not new, but good condition. All right, so now to go over the paint, look at the reflection. Reflection is real nice on the car. Base coat, clear coat, no rust bubbling anywhere on the car. And if there is, I will point it out. A little scratch there, as you can see. Okay, that will be touched up. Rockers are really nice. Emblems, like I said, there's your antenna. Your front stainless is good. You got a little cowl induction steel hood here in very nice condition. No blistering at all. Real nice paint. There's your emblem. Okay, there is a little spider crack there. If you can see that, we will touch it up. Okay, but I do point out everything on the car, and I go over it really carefully. Another scratch here, that will be touched up, but it is on the driver's side fender, as you can see. Don't say, oh my God, you didn't tell me, because I tell you everything. Okay, beautiful door lip. Nice quarter on this side as well. Upper and the lower part, really sharp, really clean, and no issues. So now let's check out, oh, one more thing that a couple guys, when they call me, hey Tom, how do I put gas in my car? Well, in this one, 67, it's right here. All right, right there. All right. There are 2 holes here, okay? There was an emblem from the factory dealership when this car was purchased in 1967. So there are 2 holes here. So check that out. That's there. Okay. All right. Wipers do function, all right, which I'll show you as well. Let's check it out. All right. So at this point, I never told you what's under the hood. You guys think it's a 350. Well, it should be a 350, but you know what? It's a BAM 383 stroker motor, putting out at least 450 horse. I did detune it. It does have the electric choke on the 4-barrel carb. Okay. Nice Chevrolet valve covers, Mallory ignition, aluminum radiator, brand new battery. Just got it in today. Nice door latch has been painted. Newer alternator, power steering. Actually, there is no power steering, but it does feel like it, which we'll go over. Power disc brake, factory code H2. You guys can look that up. There's your wiper motor. Engine compartment looks awesome. Under the hood looks awesome. All the crevices look awesome. Okay, now let's check out the trunk. Okay, so before I pop the trunk open, just want to show you there is a tiny scratch there, but I will touch that up. Okay, so boom, pop open the trunk and here we go. Nice and clean and tidy. Beautiful driver's side quarter. Okay, this has been replaced on this side, and also the quarter on this side is original. All right, because you got your factory stampings right there. Let's check out the other side. Maybe it's there. I don't see it. I don't see it. So that side has to be replaced. Nice trunk. Okay, you got your trunk mat, very solid underneath. All right, there is no rust. Nice spare tire and the jack under the trunk lid looks good, and all your weather stripping looks good on the car. All right, let's get that. Let's fire this thing up. It does have a 12-volt posi rear in it, and you can see that in my photos. All right, 1, 2. Sounds good, right? Hell yeah, it does sound good. All the gauges are functional, as you can see. Okay, so the turn signals right now, there's your left. Well, it's not showing, so I will fix that. The right one does work, but when you turn it on, both of them turn on, and then the right one just flashes. So here's my checklist here. All right, because I do my own inspections. Let me shut this off for 1 minute. I do my own car inspections, okay? You see my walk around. I'm going to show you all the defects on the car and what I'm going to do. So, driver's headlight is weak. I'm going to go through all the turn signals. The horn is not working. Fuel gauge stuck in full in F. So, I'm going to fix that. Tighten the rear view mirror. This thing's flopping around. Okay, exhaust leak. I think there's a small exhaust leak, but we'll listen to that shortly and have the mechanic go through that. Tighten center console. All right, it is a little loose, okay? I'm telling you guys, I go through everything. And it pulls a little to the left when you're on your brake cruising about 30, 40 miles an hour. And also, the dome light bulb not working. So, these are my 9 items I'm going to take care of before this car gets delivered to you. All right, transparency, that's what it's about. That's why I'm 100% seller on eBay, and I have great reviews. I show you everything. Boom, new dash pad. There's my camera holder. I'm gonna fire up the car again, and then what we'll do is we'll listen to the motor and the exhaust one more time. Here we go. Sounds good, right? All right, Georgia car, and I have clear title on the vehicle. Boom! We're ready to go. Hold on. Pulls great. Shifts excellent. Sounds good. Plenty of power. That guy almost got ran over. What was his deal? Downshift's really good too. Nice Hurst shifter right in your right hand. No overheating problems. Running at about 180 temp right now. Handle's really good too. At 70 miles an hour, cruising really nice and straight. My hands are off the steering wheel. Ready for the next home. There you go, guys. 383 stroker. It's got power assist on the steering wheel. It's really easy to steer. Front power disc brakes, 12 bolt rear end, 383 stroker motor, 4-speed Hurst trans. No weird noises in the car. 100% transparency. Buy it with confidence. If you guys need delivery, email me or text me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. My email is bestofbest71@yahoo.com. That is bestofbest, the number 7, the number 1 at yahoo.com. If you guys are ready to buy the car, and let's do it. Give me a call. Ready to buy? Call me. If you have questions, text me or email me. I'm a one-man operation. I spend a lot of time, as you can see here, doing videos and doing hundreds of photos to show you guys exactly what the cars are and what you're buying. Clutch feels excellent too. Nice and easy to shift. If you need delivery, like I said, call me for delivery. For a quote, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Listen, if you guys need financing, fine, not a problem. If your score is about a 650 to a 750, call Chris Laganelli. He's at JJ Best. Look him up. Or I give you his phone number, which is 508-415-1035. If your guy's credit score is over 750 into the 800s, you got a no money down option at lightstream.com. You guys can go there, fill out the application. They'll put the money in your account the following business day. And then we can do business. Before you do that, send me a small deposit through PayPal for $100 at bestofbest71@yahoo.com. Include your stock number so I know which vehicle that you're sending a small $100 deposit. It goes towards the purchase price of your car. Then we can complete the deal and the cars are reserved for you. These cars sell fast. They go up in value every year. This is a solid investment. Treat yourself. You never know what can happen tomorrow. Wasn't that fun? How about buy the car and do it? It's a thrill, guys. It's a thrill. And you know it. So you've seen my walk around. You've seen everything about the car. the 9 items I'm going to take care of on my punch-due list, on my inspection reports. You witnessed my test drive. What are you waiting for? Put the phone down. Let's make a deal. Let's get this thing in your garage. I deliver right to your garage. All my deliveries are fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle directly to your home. These cars sell for themselves. I know the first person that even comes by my place and sees it and drives it is going to write the check. I know it. It's a nice car. It's a quality, classic muscle car. Okay, ready for you. This thing is a badass car, man. I'm happy to have it. They're hard to find. I look at 10 or 15 of these before I buy one. Listen. Marks the tires whenever you want. I drive my cars, man. I put them to the test, because if they can pass my quality control inspection, they're gonna pass yours. I guarantee it. I drag race professionally for years. If anyone knows me, you know that. If you don't know me, well, now you do. Headed back to the warehouse, mgmclassiccars.com. That's where you can find 50 plus quality classic muscle vehicles for sale, and we deliver and finance 100%. So call me or text me. All right, if you're ready to buy, call 847-848-1850. If you're not ready to buy, well then email me your questions or text me your questions, okay? I am available to talk on the phone as well, but please read my description before you ask me the questions, because most likely it's in my description. If it's not, hey, give me a call. It's not a problem. Here we are back in the warehouse. Thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com.